In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace headlight bulbs on a Nissan Maxima. They are located behind the front fender liners. Let's get started. We're going to turn our wheel all the way in and locate this Phillips head screw on the bottom corner of our bumper. Go ahead and remove it first. And set it aside. Now with that screw out of the way, I'm going to take a pry tool and separate our fender liner from our bumper. Now we have access to our headlight bulb. Now I'm going to locate my bulb and twist it counterclockwise. Once it's free, pull it out. Now remove it from the connector by pressing down on this black tab. And there it is. Now to install our new bulb. Slide it in on the headlight, align the tabs, and turn it clockwise until it locks. Now install your connector. And make sure it's secure. Now reinstall your fender liner by pushing in. Now let's reinstall our screw. Just snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.